Hi guys, my name is Caroline Wamboy and welcome to this beautiful and amazing channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana. We love visitors. So in today's video, you're going to spend an evening with me, and I started off by just doing a small mini haul, which you are going to see. We are going to later make some smoothie and then prepare dinner together with you. And guys, that is how I had to part with my 1300 shillings for only those few items as they are. Yeah, so I got these not 2 packets, 2 kgs of rice, a few packets of milk, this 200 ml, and these others, they are about 5. I also got this fermented milk. The other thing I got is sugar, and it's quite expensive, so I took the smallest amount. Yeah, we shall use this before the next miracle. And I also got some cakes for my baby, some 2 packets of ground nuts or peanuts. I don't know the difference. I think they are all the same. I also got these mandazi bites, and they are usually very sweet. I also bought some tomatoes worth 50 shillings, and they look so good, very big and very clean, very spotless. I love them. 1 piece of apple for my baby, of course some loaf for breakfast, and some few fruits. I want to make some smoothie, yeah, and I'll be using these fruits. So I have some few pieces of banana. I also have this pawpaw and this watermelon. So guys, that is how bad our economy is. With 1,000, you only carry very little from the supermarket, but regardless, we survive. God is still on the throne. We are going to survive. So guys, that is what I've managed to buy. So we are going to make the smoothie together with you guys, so keep tuned. Yeah.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my funland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
For all the new subscribers, feel at home. In this channel, you're going to get a lot of homemaking content, a little bit of cooking, and also a little bit of lifestyle content and hauls here and there whenever we have the money. So if this is the type of content you love, kindly hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you can always be among the first to be notified.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you, I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. Don't need a miracle.
So that is what I was going to use for my smoothie: the pawpaw, the melon, some groundnuts, some milk, and some bananas. I normally use milk or yogurt to just make it a little bit what do we call it, a little bit thin. Yeah, and there's a time I used sweetened yogurt and it was really bad because of the too much sugar. So if you want to use yogurt, just use the plain yogurt.
With you, I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. We don't need a miracle.
For dinner, guys, I will be making some dengu stew and some white rice, and this is what I'll be using: one piece of carrot, two tomatoes, one hoho or the capsicum. I'm going to be using these onions. What do we call them? Spring onions, other than the bulb onions. I'm also going to be using a piece of courgette, two garlic pieces. You can see my fresh dania for garnishing. And here is my dengu. Dengu iko hapa. Yeah. So let's make this, and I think I will make it into detail, the stew into details, because for the rice I just boil it. Yeah, so stick around and just enjoy. Guys, I've just prepared everything behind camera, and the spring onions, the garlic, the capsicum, the carrots, the courgette. I have blended my tomatoes, and sorry, I don't know why my camera is misbehaving, because nowadays they don't, some tomatoes don't cook, so I prefer blending or grating. And I have the dania here, and I have the dengus here, and if you cannot, I have smashed them a little bit so that I will not have that light soup. I need some the soup. So let's get into the cooking, guys. By the way, guys, before I can start cooking, I forgot to introduce my spices. And there is a new spice in the house. You know, I'm not a spice person, but I've decided to try out curry powder. I want to see how it will be. I don't know if I will love it. Let me first cook. Yeah, because I personally don't do spices. So, this is curry powder. I, of course, have need to crushed my Royco cubes, and I have paprika. These are the two main things I use, paprika and the Royco cubes. But let me see if I'm going to love the curry powder. I'm going to give you a review at the end of the cooking.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to.
For my carrots, I normally cook them first because my daughter doesn't love anything crunchy of the food. Yeah, you can do it your way. Yeah, some people love adding it at the end. Just cook it your way. But personally, that's how I normally do mine. Allow me to take this chance to just thank my returnees. Thank you for always finding the time to come and support my content. I also want to specially thank my Premier Gang. Thank you so much. Thank you for always finding the time to come and support me. Thank you for your loyalty. I love you so much. May God bless you. May God bless your families. And for all those who have channels, may God lift your channels.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
so much for all those who have watched up to this point. May God bless you abundantly. I highly appreciate. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Remember to like the video and leave a comment. And if you can share me out, please do. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers very soon. Bye bye guys. Let me see you in my next one.